Okay, so here's a folder and I can barely delete it. If I press Shift Delete, I sure want to permanently delete it, yes, and it takes forever to delete this folder. Continue. Now it's only preparing to delete. And only now it's deleting. Okay, so let's see how to delete it faster. I will start the computer from a USB flash drive. Windows 10 is on it. The stick is bootable. Let's cancel this one. Restart the computer. Now press F11 until you see the boot menu. Entering boot menu. Okay, and now the flash drive. It's either this one or that one. Let's use the non-UEFI. Theoretically, Windows is booting from that flash drive. The flash drive has no LED, so I can't know for sure if it's really booting from there or not. But it's slow and it might boot from there. Okay, and on this window, press Shift and F10. Shift F10 for the command prompt. Now type in, let's say, Explorer. Explorer is not working, so type in Notepad. Okay, and File, Open. I'm not opening anything, I'm using Notepad as a file explorer program. And this is the hard drive. And that is the folder, so right click on it and delete. No window shows, nothing appeared. Too big to recycle. Do you want to permanently delete it? Yes. Nothing again. Now that BitLocker to go is a system file. Do you want to remove it? Do this for all files and yes. Again, nothing. Okay, and after I right click here and clicked refresh, the folder disappeared. Okay, so we can close all of these windows and even that one. Yes, to exit Windows setup.